Bhopal. Name was derived from Bhopal or Bhoj Dam. History. Ancient and medieval. The area was part of Mahakotar, a barrier of dense forest and hills separating North and South India. Bhopal is said to be established by Raja Bhoj, the Parmar ruler of Dhar. In 1401, Dilwar Khan Gauri took charge of this territory. Modern Bhopal was established by Afghan Sardar Dost Muhammad Khan in 1724. Modern Bhopal was under the rule of Begum of Bhopal from 1819 to 1926. Hamidullah Khan, who ruled until 1947, was the last sovereign Nawab. After independence, Bhopal state was formed as a Part C state of Indian Union. Bhopal district was carved out of erstwhile Sihor district of Bhopal division on 2nd October 1972 and was made capital of state. Geography. Bhopal is located in central part of India surrounded by lakes and hills. Prominent hills are Eidgah Hill and Shamla Hill in north and Katara Hill in south. Physical division. Part of Malwa Plateau. Division. Bhopal Division. Adjacent district Guna, Raisen, Sihor, Virsa and Raisen. Climate subtropical. River Betwa and Kolar. Language Hindi, Urdu and English. It is 16th largest city of India. Industries. Bhel established in 1964 with help of Britain. Maida Mill Railway Coach Factory. Tourism and culture. Tajul Masjid, known as crown among Moscow largest mosque in India. One Bihar National Park, Birla Museum, Moti Masjid, built by Sikandar Jahan Begum in 1862, also called Pearl Mosque. Shaukat Mahal, Lakshmi Narayan Temple, Gohar Mahal, built in 1820 by Qutsia Begum. MP Tribal Museum, Sair Sapata, National Museum of Mankind, Indira Gandhi, Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya, Rani Kamalapati Palace, built in 1722, named after Queen Kamalapati, Bharat Bhavan, Sardar Manzil, Halali Dam, Islam Nagar Fort, Shaurya Smarak, ढाई सीढ़ी की मस्जिद, स्मॉलेस्ट मॉस्क, माधव राव सप्रे म्यूजियम, स्टेट म्यूजियम, अपर लेक एंड लोअर लेक. Major institute MP Tribal Research and Development Center, RCPV Naroha Administration Academy, Disaster Management Institute, India's first Indian Institute of Forest Management, High Security Animal Disease Laboratory, Central Police Training Academy, Makhan Lal Chaturvedi Journalism Institute, एम्स, RGPV यूनिवर्सिटी, बरकतुल्ला यूनिवर्सिटी, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी, नेशनल लॉ इंस्टीट्यूट, MNIT इंस्टीट्यूट. After independence, Bhopal state was formed as a Part C state of Indian Union. Present Bhopal districts were carved out of erstwhile Sihor district of Bhopal division on 2nd October 1972 and was made capital of state. Important points. Bhopal is called City of Lakes, state's first cell-rise organic fertilizer factory, India's first private railway station, Rani Kamalapati Station, India's first high-tech lab located here. Asia's largest district court is located in Bhopal. Bhoj wetland located in Bhopal is under Ramsar Convention. Indira Gandhi Vidhan Sabha located here. Sanjeevani Institute, Handicraft Nigam headquarters is at Bhopal. ISRO Center is at Bhopal. AFCO established on 5th June 1981 at Bhopal. National Science Museum, Sports Training Center. Rajgarh. Rajgarh district. History. Ancient and medieval. The Umats of Rajgarh claim descent from the medieval Parampara dynasty. The area was called Umaswara after the Umats. The division of Umatwara into Rajgarh and Narsingarh state took place in 1681. Modern Rajgarh was part of colonial Bhopal agency of the Central India agency during the British Raj. After independence, the last ruling Raja acceded to Indian Union on 15 June 1948 and Rajgarh became part of Madhya Bharat state. Present. Rajgarh became a separate district after reorganization in 1956. Geography. Rajgarh lay in the region of Malwa known as Umatwara after the ruling Umat clan. Physical division. Part of Malwa Plateau Division under Bhopal Division. Adjacent districts Shajapur, Agar Malwa, Bhopal, Sihor, Guna. Border touch the state of Rajasthan. River Nevaj, Parvati, Ajnar, Kali Sindh, Garganga. Lakes Parasram Lake, Narsingar, Chidiko Lake, Narsingar, Napanera Lake, Byaura, Chapi Dam Lake, Jirapur. Tourism and culture. Narsingar town, founded in 1681 by Diwan Parasram. The site of the town is the place of temple of Shiva known as Topila Mahadev. Narsingar Sanctuary is also located here. Shyamji Sank Temple, Narsingar. The famous temple of Shyamji was built in memory of Singh, memory of King Sangram Singh by his wife Bhagyavati. Jalp Mata Temple, Rajgarh. Dargah Sharif, Dargah of Bada Sani. Koiri Mahadev, Rajgarh. Chidiko Wildlife Sanctuary, Narsingar. At center of this sanctuary, Chidiko Lake is situated. It is one of the beautiful place of Rajgarh district, so it is also known as Kashmir of Malwa region. Mohanpura Dam, built on Nevaz River, first project that will irrigate field with pressure. Anjani Lal Mandir, near bank of river Ajnar. Kundalia Dam on Kali Sindh River. It is between Rajgarh and Agar Malwa. Vaishno Devi Temples, Sutalia, Byaura. Sri Tirupati Balaji Mandir, Jirapur, Rajgarh. Bijasan Mata Mandir, Sarangpur. श्री नाथ जी का बड़ा टेम्पल, गुरैल पशुपतिनाथ टेम्पल. शनि टेम्पल, खिलचीपुर. कपिलेश्वर महादेव टेम्पल, सारंगपुर. टॉम्ब ऑफ रानी रूपमती एंड बाज बहादुर, सारंगपुर. कपिलेश्वर मेला इज हेल्ड एट सारंगपुर. डेमोग्राफी. टोटल पॉपुलेशन 15,45,814. Population density 251 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 956. Child sex ratio 920. Total literacy rate 61.21%. Important point. Rajgarh is located on bank of river Nevaz. It is the first district to publish Human Development Report in 1995. MP's first solar park is established here. Ancient name of Rajgarh is Kankanipur. Byaura is a crossroad of national highways of India. It is the district with maximum desert area in the state. Pilu Kheri industrial area is located in Rajgarh. Sihor district. Sihor was called Siddhapur in ancient times. Sihor got its name from Sidrapur as mentioned on a rock edict found near the Siwan river. Or name comes from sher or lion as they were in abundance in nearby areas. History. Ancient and medieval. Sihor was integral part of Avanti. Later it was under the rule of Magadh dynasty and further under Harshvardhan, Ashok, Raja Bhoj, Rani Kamalapati and Nawab of Bhopal dynasty. Modern. During the revolt of 1857, Sihor revolted against company rule. Sihor remained the headquarters of political agent of British Raj till independence. After independence, Sihor was part of Bhopal state which merged with the Indian Union in 1949. Present, Sihor became a district after reorganization in 1956. Bhopal was a tehsil of Sihor district which was carved out of in 1972. Geography: Sihor stands at foothills of Vindhya range in the middle of Malwa region. Physical division: part of Malwa Plateau division under Bhopal division. Adjacent district: Bhopal, Raisen, Harda, Hosangabad, Devas, Sajapur, Rajgarh. River: Kolar, Parvati, Siwan, Didhu, Nevaj, Narmada. Kolar River has its origin in Sihor. Parvati River originates Rasta Tehsil of Sihor. Tourism and culture. Ganesh Temple. The temple was constructed by Chandragupta II at Gopalpur of Sihor. Cenotaph of Kunwar Chain Singh. Kunwar Chain Singh is first Shaheed and MPs Mangal Pandey. Caves of Saru Maru. These are at Pangoria. It is an archaeological site of ancient monastic complex and Buddhist caves. Asoka's inscriptions are found here. Talpura, Ginnorgarh Fort, Kolar Dam, Jama Masjid. Salkanpur, Temple of Ma Bijasan Devi is located here. Kanajir Dargah, Kakra Kheda Dam, Kakar Kheda Tera Mata Mandir, Sangam Bandra Bandh, Jain Temple and Ramlala Temple, Rampura Dam on Parvati Dam, Kalia Dev Waterfall. Bara Khamba Fair is organized at Sihor. Demography: total population 13,11,332. Population density 199 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 918. Child sex ratio 912. Total literacy rate 70.06%. Important points: Sihor is known for Sarvati variety of wheat. Rafi Ahmad Kidwai College of Agriculture is here. Railway sleeper are manufactured at Budni. India's first residential sports school is at Sihor. Salkanpur is declared as sacred place in 209 and Salkanpur Fair is organized here. Pulses Research Center is proposed as Amla Sihor. MP's biggest cooperative sugar mill is located at Barle in Sihor. International Agriculture Research Center is proposed at Sihor. Raisen district. Raisen takes its name from massive fort one Raisen Fort. The name probably comes from Raja Vasni or Raja Sayan, the royal residence. History: ancient and medieval. Raisen was an important center of administration from period of its formation in 1200 AD. In 15th century, this fort was ruled by the Sultans of Mandu, from whom it passed on to Rajputs. In 1543, Sher Shah Suri captured the fort from Puranmal. In Akbar's reign, Raisen was headquarters of a Sarkar in the Suba of Ujjain in Malwa. Faiz Muhammad Khan III, Nawab of Bhopal state, occupied it in about 1760. Modern Raisen was made a part of princely state of Bhopal. After independence, Bhopal became a Part C state of Union of India. Present, Raisen was made a separate district after reorganization on 1st November 1956. Geography: physical division: part of Malwa Plateau division under Bhopal division. Adjacent districts: Vidisha, Hosangabad, Sagar, Sihor, Bhopal and Narsinghpur. River Betwa and Barna. Betwa River originates from Vindhyan range at Kumara village of Raisen. Halali Dam project, also known as Samrat Ashok Sagar project, is a project of Vidisha and Raisen district. Industry. Tamod Plastic Park is established here. Demography. Total population 13,31,597. Population density 157 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 901. Child sex ratio 932. Total literacy rate 72.98%. Tourism and culture. Raisen Fort, one of the oldest fort of MP built in 11th century. This fort is made of sandstone at foot of which settles the town. Here Raja Rohit Mahal, Iqtadar Mahal and Badal Mahal are located. Sanchi Stoop. This is Buddhist complex and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was built by Emperor Ashok in 3rd century BCE. Bhojpur, known for Bhojeshwar Shiva temple in which world biggest shivling is present. Also a Jain temple is built near it. Bhimbetka, prehistoric rock shelter are archaeological site in Raisen district. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site from 2003. Mrigannath Caves, Ratapani Sanctuary included in Project Tiger. Important point: Mandi Deep Industrial Area is in Raisen. Sanchi is also called sacred place of Buddhism and in ancient time known as Kakanath or Bodhisri. Sanchi Bodh University is located at Barla Tehsil of Raisen. Betwa River is called Ganga of MP due to pollution. Hindustan Electro Graphite, which is Asia's biggest graphite factory, is in Raisen. Bhojpur is known as Somnath of Madhya Bharat. India's first shivling museum is to be established here. Optical fiber factory is established here with help of Japan. International golf course to be established at Sanchi. Vidisha district. Name derived from Bas river mentioned in the Purans. Ancient name of Vidisha are Besnagar, Vesanagar, Vaishnagar, Vishwanagar. History. Ancient and medieval. Vesnagar figures prominently in various forms in Buddhist, Jain and Brahminical literature. In Ramayana by Valmiki, it is stated that Shatrughan's son Shatrughati was placed in charge of Vidisha. In Brahmanical religious texts, the place is called Bhadravati, the residence of Yuvanavya, who supplied horse to Yudhishthir for Ashwamedh. On destruction of Besnagar, a new town sprang up known as Bhelaswamin or Bilaswamin, which later turned to Bhilsa or Bhelsa. Bhelsa name probably been obtained on account of famous Surya Mandir dedicated to God's son. Samrat Ashok married Devi, who was daughter of merchant of Vidisha. After Mauryas, the Sungs, the Kanvas, the Nagas, the Vaktas, the Guptas, the Parmars, the Chaluks remained in power. Modern Vidisha became a part of Sindhia's Gwalior state. In 1904, it became a separate district. After independence, Vidisha became a part of Madhya Bharat in 1948. Present, Vidisha became a separate district of Madhya Pradesh after reorganization in 1956. Also, Sironj Tehsil of Rajasthan was merged into it. Geography. Physical division part of Malwa Plateau division under Bhopal division. Adjacent districts Guna, Ashoknagar, Raisen, Sagar, Bhopal. River Betwa, Halali. Industry Vanaspati Ghee Factory, Metal Works, Plastic Pipe Industry and GI Wire Factory are located here. Tourism and culture. Bija Mandal, largest temple of Parmar period. Also the inscription of King Narvarman is found on one of the pillars of this temple. Lohangi Peer, tomb of Saint Lohangi Peer. Udayagiri Cave, series of 20 caves containing both Hindu and Jain sculpture from Gupta era. These are the rock-cut caves. Mala Devi Temple, temple of 9th century in Gyaraspur, Hindola Turana. Hindola means swing and Turana is an arched gate. It is magnificent artwork of the 9th century situated in Gyaraspur. On its both pillars, Lord Vishnu's 10 incarnations are engraved. Bhadramath Temple located in Gyaraspur. Dasavatar Temple, group of small Vaishnav shrines popularly known as Sadvatara Temple. Girdhari Temple, popular attraction in Sironj, shrines of Jatasankar and Mahamaya located here. Udyeswar Temple, constructed by Parmar King Udyaditya, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Inscription of King Udyaditya is also found here. Virsa District Museum. It has many sculptures, terracottas and coins from 9th and 10th century as well as Harappan art. Herodotus pillar or Khamba Baba dedicated to Lord Vishnu located at Besnagar. Neelkantheswar Temple built by Parmar King located at Ganj Basauda Tehsil of Virsa. Demography total population 14 lakhs 58,875. Population density 198 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 896. Child sex ratio 926. Total literacy rate 70.53%. Important point: Visa is birthplace of Sheetal Nath Jain Tirthankar. It is also the birthplace of Kailash Satyarthi, the Nobel Prize winner of 2014. Samrat Ashok Sagar project on the Halali River is in Virsa. Chana production is prominent in the district. Pushyamitra Sung made Virsa his capital. Sironj, Sindh River originates here. Agriculture University is at Ganj Basauda of Virsa. Samvarskan Jain Temple, India's first and most highest Jain temple to be built at Virsa.